Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I am going to show you my simple YouTube home studio. If you are starting a YouTube channel or you are just trying to revamp it, where you are going to be making your YouTube videos, this is the video for you. So let's get into the video. Carved off a space in my apartment because my apartment is not that big, but it is kind of big, but it's not. I have just put a section that is designated to where I'm going to sit down and shoot my videos. And the point of doing your setup ahead of time is that you do not want to be, setting this up every time that you want to shoot. I have my phone set up on a tripod behind me, and that tripod, the pink thing, it actually moves with me, so it detects my face. All right, so here's the setup. I don't have two cameras. I have phone, which is, I have it already set on that tripod right there. My background. And then I just have my ring light. The first thing is that you're going to need a few tripods. So I use this one. This one comes with the clicker. This one's not as tall, but I like to use this one when I'm out in the, when I'm out and about in the parks. This one came with a clicker, so you don't have to, actually be holding your phone. You can actually click and take photos and videos with the clicker, and no one actually knows. And I have a few tabletop tripods, which this one is great. I had this for a while because it can actually, like, when you're out and about and you're getting into hard spots, you can actually take these arms and wrap them around. You can even, even if you're having your phone here, and if you want to hold it on your arm, or if you want to put it on a bench or a tree or what have you. I forget the name of this one, but I'll leave the links to these tripods. YouTube must-haves to shoot your videos. You need a microphone, you need a camera, and you need a tripod, and you need yourself. So this is day 2 of my YouTube challenge that I am doing for the next 30 days. So I am challenging myself for the next 30 days to shoot YouTube videos on this channel. So make sure that you are subscribed and you have your notifications on, and make sure to watch the next video in this series, and I will see you in the next video.